Hello my fellow YouTubers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mod your Minecraft 1.6.2. Now I know that there's a new client out and it may seem hard to mod, but actually it's a lot easier than most of you may think. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get out your .minecraft, which PC users can do, percent app data percent, and it'll bring up the roaming. You can just click .minecraft, but for Linux and Mac, honestly I don't know. I think you can just search .minecraft. But after getting here, you want to go down and there should be a versions folder. You want to click on that, and I'm going to delete this. Find your the 1.6.2. Now it should hold the 1.6.2 .jar and then the 1.6.2 .json, like JSON. And yeah, and this is what you're going to be modding basically. What you want to do first is you want to get your 1.6.2, because you're always going to want this. You're going to want your default 1.6.2, because if you mess anything up, you won't be able to use Minecraft, and you'll have to reset everything. So make sure you copy the 1.6.2 and then paste it back into the folder, and it should say 1.6.2 hyphen copy. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and rename it whatever you want. It doesn't matter. I'm going to rename it what am I going to rename it? Oh well, I'm going to be using Optifine as my mod, so 1.6.2 op. There. Now I'm going to click to open this. I'm going to rename all the files in it 1.6.2 op. So rename 1.6. Rename 1. Oh my God! Rename 1.6.2 op. Now I don't know if it's case sensitive, but just in case, you guys might want to, make sure the uppercase, lowercase, everything is the same. Okay, so now what you want to do after you have all the names correct, everything is the same, you want to open up the JSON file. Now I open it with Notepad, so that's what I would recommend. So you're gonna have all this stuff here, and right here it says 1.6.2 because that's what you copied it from. And here, let me see if I can sort of bring this into the middle, and yeah, you see it says 1.6.2 right here. Now in this area you want to rename it whatever the name is over here. So it's gonna be 1.6.2 op, and then you're gonna exit, save, and the same as, like, say if I name this Optifine, where that this right here, all this right here would say Optifine. Okay, I'm just making sure that you guys, I need to be able to act like you guys don't know anything, because some people actually don't, and this is, the game directory and all this stuff is actually super hard. Like, I remember when I first started, it was really hard for me to do this whole Minecraft stuff. Okay, now that you have everything renamed, you want to open the jar. First thing you want to do to make it moddable, right? Pretty sure every Minecrafter should know this. Before your Minecraft is actually moddable, you need to delete the meta inf. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And then after that, you can now add in your mods. So what I'm going to add is I'm going to be adding Optifine. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy all of this into the jar. Now it is a lot more work than originally it was, but honestly I like the new client. I like how this works. I can have a lot of different, it opens up more possibilities. So yeah, I like it. After you're finished with that, just exit out everything, open up your Minecraft thing, new profile, right? Name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it 1.6.2 Optifine. The version is going to be, it should say what you named it. So it'll be like, I named it release, or I named it 1.6.2 op. You're going to look for release 1.6.2 op, right? If that's what you named it. Or you can name it like Optifine, it would say release Optifine. Or, you know, like if I named it Johnny Cash, you know, it'd be like release Johnny Cash. And then so, you know, you're going to click on that profile, and then you're going to save the profile. Now you're going to go ahead, get onto that profile, log in, and it should open. Boom. And then, you know, let's make sure Optifine is on, because, you know, I have a Bedrock base. This is the only reason I'm using Optifine. And, you know, there is no Bedrock fog. You know, I can see all the way down there, all the way down my sugarcane farm, which I'm about to, what's the word? Harvest. I'm going to harvest this, because you know what? I actually make a lot of money off of this. In fact, I'm the richest person on the server right now. Of course, you know, then again, he hasn't started advertising, and so the server is actually very small, and my faction happens to be the leading faction. Actually, I'm quite happy about that. This makes me very happy. I'm very ecstatic to know that before anyone even actually gets a chance to play, I'm already gonna have the best faction on here. So, you know, it's fun. It's nice. It's nice knowing this stuff. Okay, now that's finished. You know, as you can see, Optifine is working, and this works with every single mod. You can do this. It should work with every single mod. Or you know, I don't know if they are gonna be doing this, but the mods might actually like release a like .jar, like a hacked client. Like the hacked clients, they would release an entire .jar and then a JSON file. I know this because I actually happened to be researching this stuff like just earlier today, because apparently someone was hacking on the server, and I wanted to actually know if 1.6.2 actually had hacked clients. And so, you know, I checked it out, and apparently it does. You know, just anyone out there wants some hacked clients. There's only 2 right now, apparently, but they both suck. I don't like either of them. I prefer Notice, although, you know, they're not going to be releasing Notice anymore, which kind of sucks. Oh well, whatever. Hacks are for noobs. Optifine all the way, man. Optifine it makes me, I can see in Bedrock. This is very nice. I like this. See, now I can finally see my entire base. Look at that. I've been having to look down this hallway, and it would just be like this dark abyss that I didn't want to walk into. So, yeah, until next time, guys, this is how you mod Minecraft 1.6.2. See ya.